Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to filter your data in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to filter your data in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to filter your data in Google Sheets. Check the very description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our list, our column. Click on it. We can click here to arrange it or sort from A to Z, something like that. Okay, let's go back. Now select the column and click on filter. Here, click here, create filter. Now click another filter like this. Or we can select them all and create filter for all the columns. Now we can filter from here, sort A to Z, or just choose the name we want, something like this. Okay, he will just show us the name we choose, like this. Sort A to Z from the filter. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to filter your data in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.